marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going racing in less than 5. All right, so our champion on the sidelines watching this one get going. TC 25.583, and the yellow car to the early lead. It's going to be Cortez, followed by Cadillo. Then the blue car of Larry. We'll watch it come on the straight. And she's done here. All right, guys, we got 30 seconds in, 4:30 left to go. Race number 42 into tag. Nelson, John, and Larry. Nelson out in front, John in second, Larry in third, followed by John Valentico in fourth. Mavrakis rounding out the top 5. Our lead battle down the back straightaway. Yellow car out in front, white car with orange windows in second. John with a couple bombs there. One minute and 35 seconds in. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left to go. Nelson out in front by 1.8. John Cadillo in the second spot. Larry in third. John in fourth. And Jason to round out the top 5. Cortez out in front by 1 second over Cadillo. Here comes our race leader across the start finish line. Second across the line right there. John Cadillo holds the high out of the race at 14.6. Battle for third between Larry and John, separated by 1.5 the last time out. So Larry in the blue, and then John in the yellow, green, and blue. Just beyond the halfway mark here, at 2 minutes and 15 seconds left to go. Race number 42. 12 scale 17.583. Nazareno in the third spot, Valentico in fourth, Mavrakis to round out the top 5. Mason Cortez out in front by 1.7. And Nelson's coming up on traffic. The yellow car coming up on the break.
Oh, yeah, that's like what a big. No. So I thought it was on.
All right, guys, so for our B-Main event awards, we just took inventory of all the awards that we were shipped. We have B-Main event awards for the following classes.
You didn't read the room right.
TC 21.5, GT 12, and TC 25.5. So for the B-Main events, guys, those are the awards that we received for the B-Main events. TC 21.5, GT 12, and TC 25.5. All right, Nelson out in front, John Cadillo in second, Larry in third. Here comes Valentico in the fourth spot. We got action for third. Between Larry and John, Mike in fifth, and Jason Mavrakis rounding out the top 55 there. Ronnie Patrick. And 20 seconds left to go here in 83. Jaime Manzanilla was dominant in the qualifying and in the main events, taking the championship title in the first 2 days. So this is for the rest of the points right here. Cortez in the yellow car, crosses start finish line. He's on a victory lap. Keep going, keep going, keep going, John. You're caught at the line. Second. Got a couple more to finish up. Wait, and that's a race. Everybody is done. Nelson Cortez. Boom, shakalaka. Nelson, you took the win. John Cadillo second. Larry, you got third. That's Nazareno third. John Valentino fourth. Jason, you got fifth. My bracket's fifth.